Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Soul of Today. This is a small sentences videos. Yes friends, if you are beginners, so try to use such kinds of sentences which are simple sentences. You can use those sentences in your speaking. So without delay, let's start. First sentence is कड़वा मत बोलो. कड़वा it means that जिसको हम थोड़ी झुंझलाकर बोलते हैं कड़वा, that is called कड़वा. Don't speak harshly, and you can use another word is bitterly. Don't speak harshly or bitterly. मीठा मीठा बोलो, speak sweetly. Speak sweetly, and you can also use another word is softly. It means विनम्र. मीठा मतलब विनम्र. मीठा मीठा बोलो, speak sweetly and softly. तुम इसे कहाँ रखे हो? Where did you keep it? Where did you keep it? And you can also use here put. Where did you put it? इसका पता लगाओ. Find out about it. Find out about it. चारों तरफ ढूंढो. Search all around. Search all around. देखो यहाँ. Look, it's here. Look, it's here. इसे यहाँ से निकालो. Take it out from here. Take it out from here. ईमानदार बनो. Be honest. Be honest. देश की सेवा करो. देश की सेवा करो. Serve the country. Serve the country. किसी को परेशान मत करो. Don't travel or tease anyone. Don't travel or tease anyone. सच्चा देशभक्त बनो. Be a true patriot. Be a true patriot. शक्तिशाली और ताकतवर बनो. Be strong and powerful. Be strong and powerful. सच बोलो. Speak the truth. सच बोलो. Speak the truth. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. गरीबों की मदद करो. Help the poor. गरीबों की मदद करो. Help the poor. लो इसे पढ़ो. Take and read it. Take and read it. गरीबों को मत सताओ. Don't harass the poor. Don't harass the poor. बच्चों से प्रेम करो. Love the children. Love the children. अरे उसे मत पीटो. Hey, don't beat him. अरे उसे मत पीटो. Hey, don't beat him. थोड़ा तेज बोलो. Speak a little louder. Speak a little louder. थोड़ा धीरे बोलो. Speak a little slowly. Speak a little slowly. पढ़ते रहो. Keep studying. Keep studying. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. धैर्य रखो. Keep patience. Keep patience. So friends, these were small sentences, simple sentences, and you can use these sentences in your speaking. So very thank you to watch this video, and if you are new on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please do subscribe so that you can get notification easily whenever I upload new videos, so you can get notification first. So very thank you friends.